Children, in this session, we are learning matter is made up of particles. It means that we are learning what does matter is made up of. We are learning that the matter is made up of your particles. So, in order to understand this, we are making a simple activity. So, in order to perform this activity, the main requirements or ingredients or the things which are needed are a small amount of salt you can take, children, and a half filled with the water in a beaker, and another beaker we have taken, it is also half filled with water, and a small amount of sugar I have used. Along with this, we are making use of a glass rod. You can use here. I'm using a spoon and a marker. To mark the level of water, we are using a marker pen. Isn't it, children? What are the things which are using here? Salt, sugar, two beakers which are half of it's filled with water, then spoon and a marker. So what we had to do at the very first step, we have to take a one beaker. Any one beaker you have to take. So first we have to mark the level of the water. Look at here, children. We are marking the level of water. Isn't it? The green color, are you looking? Yes, children. Means here we have marked with a marker the level of water. So we will repeat the same for the another beaker too. Okay, now completed our task. That is, we have marked the beakers with a marker. So next what we have to do? We have to take 1 spoon of salt. What we are taking, children? We are taking 1 spoon of salt and we are adding to the first beaker. So what we did, children? We have taken a spoon of a salt powder and we have added to the beaker number 1, or that is first beaker. So what we have to do next? The next we are doing, that is, we are taking a 1 spoon of sugar and adding to the second beaker. Looking, children, everyone, what we did now? We have added a spoon of sugar to the second beaker. So now what we have to do? We have to stir the water carefully. That is completely, the water is going to dissolve. Until then we have to stir. With continuous stirring, the salt particles are going to dissolve in the water, children. Okay, we will rest that for some time, and we have to do for the second one also. That is, we have to stir the sugar beaker also. Okay, children. So after few minutes, you can look at the beakers. The salt is completely dissolved in the beaker. Looking, children? Yes, the salt will get completely dissolved in water. So now we are keeping it aside. We have to check for the second one whether sugar has dissolved or not. We have to check. So we have taken, and still if salt particles somewhat there, means you can stir it once again. All the sugar particles are also going to dissolve. Now, after some time, children, we have to observe the level of the water. Initially, the level of water is also at this point in the first beaker, and for the second beaker also the water mark is also same. Means our question is that where went the salt and the sugar particles in the water? Isn't it, children? Our question is what happened to the salt and sugar particles? It's very simple, children. We learnt that water has a spaces in between them. Means the water molecules, they have a spaces. Isn't it, children? So when we added salt or sugar to the water, these salt or sugar particles occupied the space which is present in the water. Understanding, children, my point? Yes, the salt or sugar particles, they started occupying the space which is present in the water molecules. Isn't it? Because of that reason, the level of a water does not change here. Initially it was also at this point. Now also after adding a salt or a sugar, the water level is same, because water molecules have a space between them. Understand, children? Okay, two things from this we are going to understand, children. The first one is when we dissolve salt in water, the particles of salt, or when we dissolve sugar in the water, the particles of a sugar get into the spaces which is present between the particles of water, and there is no change in the level of the water. Is it clear, children? Okay, very good.